24 hours ago, Bitcoin was at $86,000 and everyone was screaming crash. Today, it's trading at $91,800, while Solana is at $142 and Ethereum is at $3,037. So, is it a dead cat bounce or did December just start? In the next 10 minutes, I'll be sharing with you exactly 3 prices that I think will decide the month, the 4 events that could move the market until Sunday, and exactly what I'm doing with my money right now. So, look at this. The whole market is green. Bitcoin gained 5.5%, Ethereum 4.4%, Solana at 4.4% as well, BNB at 4.5%, and even Doge is up. There's no alt season yet, but everything is following Bitcoin. As I'd like to call it, here are the 3 magic prices that will decide November. On this one-day Bitcoin chart, you can see 3 colored boxes. The green box is above $92,000 close by Sunday. If November becomes a bullish hammer candle, 100K on December is very likely. On the yellow box, this is your 90K to 92K zone. It's a healthy pullback area, perfect for buying dips. And the red box is below $88,000, which means the dead cat is confirmed. And the next top could be 80 to 84K. Again, this is no financial advice, this is just what I think. So, is it a dead cat bounce or a real recovery? Here I have prepared 2 sides of things. You have the bear side and the bull side. Let's go on the bear side first. In here, you can see that Peter Brand literally just draw a dead cat on the chart. There's gonna be $500 million worth of token unlocks over the weekend. Oh, and holiday week is coming, which means super low volume and easy to dump. On the bull side of things, we have whales that bought 12,000 bitcoins at $86,000. The ETFs flipped green again yesterday. Texas just bought Bitcoin for their treasury. JP Morgan launched a new Bitcoin product. And Fed stops shrinking money on December 1, which means $95 billion in fresh cash every month. Right now, I'm 55% dead cat. But if we close $92,000 this weekend, I might as well go all in. Here, you can see that Solana and Ethereum are creating the same pattern. Solana's ceiling is at $145. Ethereum's ceiling is $3,100. If they break together with Bitcoin, then we might see the real altcoin season start. If they fail, everything drops together. Here's a simple calendar of what to watch until the November close. All of this could swing the markets hard. Today, which is Thursday, November 27, which is also Thanksgiving Day and US markets are closed. ETF flows update. BlackRock already has $42.8 million inflows today, extending the streak. There's holiday thin volume, so expect wild wicks like the $86,000 yesterday. Tomorrow, on Friday, November 28th, token unlock of Jupiter, where we expect 53.47 million tokens, which is about $13 million to hit the markets. US PPI data release. Inflation gauge missed could tank risk assets. US retail sales data. Consumer spending checks, which is key for Fed cuts. On Saturday, November 29, is another token unlock for HYPE or Hyperliquids token. We are expecting 9.92 million tokens, and it's the biggest pressure test. On the same day, expect weekend low liquidity. There's no major news, but watch the whales move. On Sunday, November 30 is the monthly close. We have the final ETF flows and on-chain data. This sets the tone for December. We also have the Fed QT and preview. $95 billion liquidity flood starts on Monday, December 1. There's no conferences left for this weekend, but all of this unlocks and data could really make or break the monthly close. Now let's talk about my plan. I'm buying small chunks of Bitcoin every time it touches 90k. Ethereum at 3,000 and Solana at 138. If we lose 88k on Bitcoin, then I'm gonna stop completely. If we break or close above 92k, then I'll add a lot more. Very simple, no leverage, no stress. Again, to summarize very quickly, above 92k by Sunday, 100k on December is very likely. Between 88k to 92k is gonna be a little bit choppy, but it's okay. Now below 88k, then dead cat might be confirmed. So let me know down in the comment section below if you think whether this one is a dead cat bounce or are we gonna see 100k on December. Drop a spaceship emoji if you're buying the dip and a cat emoji if you think it's just a dead cat bounce. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more content like this. Again, I'm Kai from the Mindful Crypto Life and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!